Hi guys, welcome back! 2020 is almost over. Can you believe it? What a crazy year. Before I start planning, a quick glance at November. So let's start with December. I am a super big fan of Christmas. So I used this theme to please my inner crazy Christmas lady. I even added a spread completely dedicated to Christmas. By the way, if you don't want to hear Christmas music, I would advise you to mute the audio. My cover page contains an illustration of mistletoe, painted with watercolors. We start off with a very light emerald green color. The leaves of the mistletoe are in this case very easy to paint. I start with a lot of pressure on my brush, and as I drag my brush to the top of the leaf, I'll release pressure. This way your leaf is round at the bottom and thin around the tip. I decided to give some depth and detail to the leaf by painting one half a bit darker. After this, keep adding darker leaves until you're satisfied. Also, don't forget to splatter some paint around when you are finished. I always like the messy look. I used the green Tombow for extra leaves. If you are in a hurry or if you just don't like watercolors, you can also use markers in different shades. You can create a similar effect. To give the cover true Christmas vibes, I'm adding gold metallic paint in tiny circles, kind of like berries. I completed the page by adding the month and the year at the bottom. I tried to make the lettering look more festive instead of my usual cursive writing. The next page is my monthly spread. I decided to draw all the boxes for a change. Made a mistake again by adding one box too many. But then again, what would my monthly be without me making mistakes? I decided to paint mistletoe around the edges and made a gold accent return by painting golden Christmas ornaments, or as we would say in the Netherlands, kerstballen. I even added a wish list to fill up my left page. I used my Tombow 312. onto my tracker pages. My mood tracker is particularly festive. I saw this idea on Pinterest. You can see circles in all kinds of shapes and together they make a Christmas tree. The easiest way to draw this is to create a triangle and start at the top with adding circles. I added some mistletoe and golden splatters around the trackers and tada! Tracker pages are done. And now get ready for some Christmas spreads. Me and my sister watch a ton of Christmas movies and series each year, and this year will be no different. We always like to rank, and this year I made a page for a ranking system. If a movie is really good, it'll get 5 ornaments, and when it's really bad, it of course gets 1. My right page is a to-do list. This can function as a bucket list with things you would like to do around the holidays, but it can also be a chores list, like which presents you should buy or which cookies you should bake. I wanted to add holly at the top, but failed drawing a nice leaf. And that's the beauty of markers. I can just create another shape on top and it's like there never was holly. I also drew some extra dots and sparkles. My last page is of course the weekly spread. I decided to make it look a bit similar to the cover page, so I repeated the process I did over there. And I'm done for this video. I hope my Christmas mood wasn't too much, but in these crazy times I like to look forward to Christmas and spending time with my parents and my sister. I wish you all happy holidays in advance and stay safe. Or as we say over here, fijne feestdagen. Let me know in the comments how you say happy holidays in your language. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my channel. On Instagram at Dutch_dots you can find more journaling. Hope to see you next time. Bye guys!